I've been trying to optimize my sleep for the past 5 years, and I've tried at least 100 different tips, tricks and strategies that were supposed to help me fall asleep faster. And just recently I came across this very special technique that apparently the US Navy is using, and that really caught my attention. So I checked it out, I read through it, I tried to get as much evidence and as much data about it as possible, and then I tried it out. And today I want to share with you my whole strategy, and at the end of the video I'm gonna tell you if this technique really works or not. Now, according to the US Navy, if you wanna fall asleep in less than 2 minutes, here's what you should do. First, you should lie down on your back, you should relax your facial muscles, your forehead should be as smooth as possible. So basically this whole part of your body should be as relaxed as possible. Secondly, you have to drop your shoulders, you have to squeeze your fingers and then relax them, and you have to kind of try to relax your whole arm and really feel this state of relaxedness, feel that you're relaxed in the upper part of your body. Then you should breathe in and breathe out a couple of times. Then you should relax your legs, including your feet and including your ankles. One of the things you can also do, you can also squeeze your ass. Squeeze it and then relax it. You can do this a couple of times, don't worry about it. And the last thing you should do is you should kind of clear your mind. Now, according to the US Navy, you should imagine yourself lying on a kayak in the middle of a sea, looking up, there's a blue sky, there's blue water, and apparently this is gonna help you relax and kind of clear your mind the fastest. By the way, guys, did you ever manage to fall asleep in less than 2 minutes? Let me know in the comment section below. Now, does this strategy work or no? Well, yeah, it definitely helped a lot, but I never managed to fall asleep in less than 2 minutes. Now, I've really tried to optimize the whole strategy, the whole technique. I've kind of breathe in through the nose, breathe out through the mouth a couple of times to really clear the air and kind of clean my lungs. Then I've tried to imagine different kind of stuff, so not only lying on a kayak, but for example, what really works for me, I try to imagine being on a beach, listening to the sea waves and birds and so on. This really helps me, much more than imagining myself lying on a kayak in the middle of the sea. So I've tried to stretch my whole body even before going to the bed and that kind of stuff. But whatever I tried, it definitely helped me relax, that's for sure, but I never ever managed to fall asleep in less than 2 minutes. Now, if you really want to hack your sleep, you should definitely avoid drinking caffeine after 2 p.m. You should definitely avoid eating any food at least 2 hours before going to bed. You shouldn't drink at least 1 hour before going to bed. You should avoid all electronic devices, before falling asleep, because they emit blue light, and this kind of suppresses the production of melatonin. And besides all, you can also consider taking some supplements such as magnesium, GABA, and so on. So if you follow the whole strategy that the US Navy talks about, and if you follow all additional tips, you should really feel the benefits immediately. You should fall asleep faster, you should achieve better sleep, and that's very, very important. But if you're gonna fall asleep in less than 2 minutes, this is a big question. By the way, guys, if you want to achieve limitless productivity and performance and join the most productive people in the world, then I prepared a special handbook which you can download for free below. So besides all those tricks that I mentioned, besides all the strategies that I mentioned, the other thing you can do is use the app called Pzz. It's a free app, and it kind of offers a guided meditation that's gonna help you fall asleep faster and should be able to achieve a better sleep. Now, using the Pzz app means you have to use some headphones as well, but those are the options that I'm sharing with you that you can try if you struggle with sleep. Alright guys, so much about sleep hacking. If you want to join the most productive people in the world, then subscribe below.